Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm popping in to tell you a little bit of information about a crafty summit that I'm participating in. The summit is completely free to sign up for. It runs for 4 days. It starts on the 28th of July and runs through to the 31st of July. And the theme for the summit is Christmas card planning. So the goal of the summit is to gather lots and lots of ideas about Christmas cards and plan out what you would like to create for your Christmas cards this year. So all through the days of the summit, there'll be people presenting ideas and showing you how to make different types of Christmas cards. You can watch along or pick and choose, and then it gets your mind starting to think Christmas, and you can start to plan what you might like to do for your Christmas cards this year. The teachers in the class, some of them I know, some of them I know of. They've all got different styles. I'm one teacher in the summit, so I'm going to do a Mintay Christmas card version. It's a fancy sort of card. That's what I'm doing for my class, but everybody's doing their own style, their own, variety, their own take on Christmas. So it's a good way to meet other card makers. There's also a pop-up Facebook group that you can join, and you can get involved in that and meet new people. There is also a VIP access pass that you can pay for, and then you get all the classes to watch at any time. So that's an option. If you would like to either do the free 4 days, costs you nothing, you can watch all the videos for free, you can sign up to the link in the description box below. And then if you're interested in either the free version or the VIP access pass, you can make a choice. Also with the VIP access pass, you get access to heaps and heaps of free things. Like I'm doing a free card making bundle, digital printable. Other people are giving away free things. So you've got that option as well with the VIP access pass. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.